body chills. Right now. Right now. Oh. Y'all tell me if there's somebody behind me. Full body chills. And you can hear them upstairs. But those footsteps were on this floor. And what's crazy is most of the flooring is carpet. Except in here. And this is where I heard it. Was in here. Like that. I mean, I don't have boots on, but they were boots. So I came around here fully expecting to see somebody, but this door is locked. You can see it's locked. Let's go through here. Now remember, I don't even have, I just picked up my phone and started recording. Okay. See, look at this back door. Every door's locked. Look, I can't get out. And they would have had to have come through the front door, and I would have seen them.